Hey everybody, so welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the next part of this Luvme wig series. So today, like I said in the last video, what I'm just going to be doing is styling and putting this wig on. So first, what I'm starting off doing is sectioning off the hair, and I'm just getting it ready to be flat ironed. If you looked at my last video, you saw the products that I put on the hair before. I didn't put any heat protection on it or anything. Then right here, what I'm doing is I'm just flat ironing it. As you see, the bottom part, it's flat ironing good. It really wasn't completely dry, but this hair does flat iron pretty well. Usually when I have virgin hair, I don't know, sometimes it always doesn't do well, but this hair, it does flat iron really well. I'm not gonna bore you guys too much with just flat ironing. I'm sure we all know how to flat iron, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch. I'm just gonna flat iron and speed through the video. Okay, so I didn't include this part because me and my mom were really concentrating, but I don't know how to work a stovetop, hot comb. So my mama had to help me. So we went downstairs and we were just really doctoring on his head, trying to get it as flat as we could. So I didn't include that part, but I did go through the top with a hot comb. And right here, you can see I'm just getting ready to pluck it. I think I lost that clip. This is a mess, but yeah. So this is the next day, and you'll see how flat I got this hair, but I did not bleach the knots. All I'm gonna do is just add some foundation, and this is way easier than bleaching the knots. Like, it works just the same, takes up way less time. I prefer this technique any day. So here it is. It's gonna match perfectly, blah blah blah. Here I am putting the wig on. It has like an elastic band already attached. If you watched the previous videos, then you know this. And it has like this other little band that I secured as well. As you can see, the lace on the front is kind of dark. That's from my last video. It did dye like the front part of the lace, so that's why it's dark like that. Y'all see how flat it is? Like, this cannot be achieved without a hot comb. Like, if you don't have a stovetop one, get an electric one, but you need a hot comb. So here I am, I'm about to cut off my lace. Here I am just pinning my hair back. You'll notice that when I cut my lace, I do it like in a jagged way. As you can see, you can kind of see that I'm moving my scissors like up and down. I learned that from Hair by Erica J, and that is to get like the most natural looking hairline, and it actually works. Like, if you cut straight across, you'll be able to see the line of demarcation better. So cut zigzag. So I also did not mention that this is my first ever time actually gluing a wig down. This got to be, what is this? Boat hold is like a brand new bottle. And you can see how I messed up. If you do wigs regularly, you see how I messed up. The wig held down. It stayed down for like 2 days. I only did like 2 layers. So it stayed down the amount that it was supposed to. But you see like the side where I kind of like got my hair in the glue. Don't do that, okay? Because I learned real quick that you need to just put the glue on your hair. I mean, not your hair, good Lord. You need to just put the glue on your skin. If you put it on your hair, you're going to have the worst time ever and the hardest time trying to get it out of your hair. So, I learned from then, but don't put, like, even on the little bitty parts of hair that you have, pieces of hair that you have, don't put the glue there, okay? I should have known. So here I am just pressing the wig down into my scalp, trying to get it all melted with the end of my comb. And then it's secured after that, honey. I got the elastic band and the glue. I really don't need the glue. I have worn this wig without gluing it down. And here I am just putting foundation on my part just to make it a little bit more natural. This is a fabulous wig. Like, I'm recording this voiceover like a month from this video actually being filmed. So I will have a review coming up, like a whole 1 month review. But look at how flat it is. Look at how much body it has. And it's still like this. Like, this is a very good wig for the price. So here I am. I'm about to start struggling with baby hairs. It really doesn't need it. But I like that baby hair like in the front, like the little swoop. So that's what I'm trying to do. It came out okay, but I did a better job like later on down the road. But in this video, you're gonna be like, ew. That's a hot mess. I feel like some clips like got lost in the making of this video, but here we are. I have my baby hairs like laid down already. As you can see, it's not the best. I got some glue sticking out, like it's just a mess. But I fixed all of that, okay? Like none of that shows once I'm done. Here I am just touching up my part again with some foundation. This really makes your wig look way better. Like, I did not pluck this part or anything. I just plucked the hairline very slightly. Like, it didn't even really need it. And I didn't really show this, but this wax stick that this comes with is the GOAT. Like, I'm telling you, all those flyaways and stuff, this lays them all the way down. And that's just basically it, me styling this wig. So here is a clip from later that night. I was out in humid weather, so that's why I flipped up a little bit at the bottom. Here is another video from another day. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. All the details will be in the description. And I'll see y'all in my next video.